704
Hello, I'm Taka. Today, we'll be going to Nagoya City. We'll depart Tomakomai City via ferry, then drop over at Sendai City before reaching Nagoya. The ticket costs 25,300 yen, about 189 US dollars. Today is May 16th. It's going to be a two-night trip and will take approximately 1,330 kilometers, about 826 miles, to reach Nagoya Port. We will depart Tomakomai Port at 7 p.m. and arrive at Sendai Port at 10 a.m. tomorrow. We'll arrive in Nagoya Port at 10:30 a.m. on May 18th. Can you see the funnel? It's a huge ferry. The long dock to the ferry makes me more excited. Let's get aboard. I got special class cabin. My room is 704 and it's located near the bow of the ferry. We are going through the long aisle to the room. The name of the ferry is Kiso from Taiheiyo Ferry. Its overall length is 200 meters and its width is 27 meters. The gross tonnage is 15,795 tons. The maximum speed is about 27 knots, about 49 kilometers per hour. Before we check our room, let's go to the deck to see the sunset. Let me tell you a little bit more about this ferry. The passenger capacity is 768 people, and the vehicle loading capacity is 183 truck units and 113 passenger car units. It's so beautiful. The ferry is leaving now. Goodbye Tomakomai. See you again. I will miss soy sauce noodles, assorted seafood rice bowl, and red meat steak. Let's check our room. Just like a hotel room, we need to put the key card in the key box to turn on the lights. This is the front door. Please take off your shoes. The room is a spacious Japanese-style room. It's so nice. A Japanese-style room is on the ferry. It's funny. As you can see here, the room comes with a Japanese futon set. We also have a closet here. A bath towel and a nightwear. The nightwear is one size fits all. Judging by the look, I can already tell that it's going to be big for me. There is another closet next to my closet, and inside is another Japanese futon set. Now, let's look at the bathroom. They have an electric toilet seat. That's great. Like every electric toilet seat, it has a seat warmer feature, so you can sit there to read a book as long as you like. No one will bother you. There is a bathtub and a shower. We have body soap and a 2-in-1 shampoo. The shower is strong enough. We also have here a hair dryer and common free toiletries like toothbrushes, cups, and razors. In the corner of the room, there's a small refrigerator and a tea set. Packets of green tea powder and roasted green tea powder are in the box. I'll try some later. It's awesome that this room has 2 windows, so you can enjoy the view. Now it's about 8 p.m., so let's have dinner. On the ferry, they only accept cash, so please remember to bring enough money. Dinner buffet costs 2,100 yen, about 16 US dollars. It's a little bit expensive. There is a soda fountain, and you can get cups of hot coffee too. I was hungry and ate a lot. The roast beef and bonito's sashimi stood out for me. They were so good. The rest was just so-so. The tables and chairs are fixed to the floor with chains. This is probably to keep the chairs from moving around when there's turbulence. I may need a chain when I sleep. I'll drink a cup of roasted green tea while I'm filling the bathtub with hot water. It takes around 5 minutes to boil water. The heater is so convenient. We can make cup noodles any time of the day. The bus is ready. The ferry is moving around a lot, and I have a feeling that I might get seasick. So I recommend you bring medicine in case of motion sickness. Let's explore the ferry now. There's a smoking room and an elevator at the end of the aisle. There are many vending machines on the ferry. You can buy soft drinks and beer. I'm going down to the 6th deck. A movie will start at 9 p.m. at the Lounge Southern Cross. Unfortunately, piano concerts and karaoke are not available because of the pandemic. Spending 2 nights on the ferry means you have a lot of time. You can use those tables and chairs whenever you like. We are passing Mermaid Club. Here you can eat single-item dishes like curry and rice. Those items are around 5 to 6 US dollars. It's easy on the wallet. I'll try curry and rice for tomorrow's dinner. They also have soft serve, and I'm on cloud 9. We should try it. At the end of the aisle is Tahiti. We enjoy the buffet over there. We are now in 5th deck. That's the information desk. Next to the information board are variable lockers. You'll get your money back after using it. This is a second class cabin, and it costs 11,700 yen, about 88 US dollars. This is a locker area, and it costs 200 yen, around 1.5 US dollars. The toilet is so clean. This is the amusement arcade, and it has a change machine. Let's get change here, because we'll need it later on for the bus after we get off the ferry. There is a public bus near the amusement arcade. Wi-Fi is not free, and we need to apply for it before getting aboard. And I didn't. Let's go back to our room now. We are around Aomori now. We'll get up at 3:50 a.m. to see the sunrise. Good morning. It's 3:50 a.m. The ferry is still moving around a lot. Let's go see the sunrise. It's freezing and windy. No one is on the deck. My hands are shaking, so it's difficult to take a video. The one thing I realized is that we should wear a beanie while on deck, because if it is windy and you are wearing a cap, it will easily be blown over. Unfortunately, I couldn't film the sunrise, but we still have another chance tomorrow. By the way, I'm getting seasick now. Let me sleep until noon. Good afternoon. The medicine worked well and I'm okay now. Thank you, my medicine. The ferry is now in Sendai and will stay at Sendai port for about 3 hours. You can get off here if you are bright. We are in an industrial area. Many trucks are getting off the ferry. That's amazing. It's time for lunch. Let's go to Tahiti. The lunch buffet costs 1,100 yen, approximately 8.2 US dollars. Wow, we have takoyaki. That's nice. I enjoyed lunch and I'm full now. Okay, let's drop over to the shop area on deck 5. You can buy snacks, soft drinks, toiletries, and souvenirs. It's great that the shop deals with souvenirs from the ports they stop at, like Hokkaido, Miyagi, and Aichi prefectures. You also can buy Taiheiyo Ferry's goods. I bought some noodles and a Taiheiyo Ferry's sticker. The ferry is now leaving Sendai for Nagoya. That ferry is Ishikari and it is going to Sendai. The staff announced it for picture-taking purposes. It's also a beautiful ferry. We have some time before dinner, so I'd like to go to the amusement arcade, not for the games, but for the massage chair. The poster says the zero-gravity chair invites you to a space trip. I was waiting for an exciting thing like this to kill my time. I don't hesitate to spend 300 yen, about 2.2 US dollars, for a 15-minute trip. The spaceship is moving. Let's get to it. We can see the moon now. It was so good and I enjoyed it thrice during this trip. Let's go to Mermaid Club for dinner. I'll order the makanai curry. It means food cooked by the chef for the employees. It sounds delicious. すみません、まかないカレーをお願いします。はい。It's 520 yen, about 3.9 US dollars. It's an affordable price. It looks delicious. いただきます。It's so good. The curry is mild and rich. I think this sweetness comes from stewed onions. For me, this one is the best dish on the ferry. I really like it. The dessert is soft serve, premium vanilla flavor. It costs 360 yen, around 2.7 US dollars. It's so good. It's rich and creamy. I love the mermaid crab now. Dinner was great, and now I'm full. It's 0:30 a.m. and it's about time to go to bed. The ferry is around Chiba Prefecture now. Good morning. It's 4:20 a.m. We can finally see the sunrise. It's so beautiful. The ferry is around Shizuoka Prefecture now, and we have about 6 hours left before we reach our final destination. I'll do packing and take a nap. The one thing I should do is to eat soft serve premium chocolate flavor. It's amazing. It's 9:16 a.m. We can see Chubu Centralia International Airport. We are in Nagoya now. We are in an industrial area, and the ferry is going to pass under the Meiko Nishi Ohashi Bridge. That one is Meiko Chuo Ohashi Bridge. I hope you enjoyed this trip like me. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you in the next one. またね。